Quick reminder that you can win this R35 GTR and $5,000 cash. Every $5 you spend at 53supply.com gets you one entry. We've got a new drop coming December 1st, carbon fiber shift knobs, restocking clutch and gas socks, and more. Happy shopping and good luck. So this is the first video with Jaren and I fixing her Miata that I surprised for her. This was filmed right after we had given her the car and after she reacted. She was so excited to get started on the car, we went ahead and tackled it. So enjoy. It's kind of gross, but yeah. Come over here, load up with some anti-hand stank devices.
Oh, these are so big.
These are big on you?
Yes.
Oh.
Do I have to invest in like small gloves?
They do make smalls, but I don't even know.
I can just steal some from my culinary class.
Yeah, or you just grow your hands a little bit and then nice. Gloves that are a little big for you it's gonna be better than touching like old milk stank.
This is a lot of big for me.
All right, how do you want to attack the stank first?
I don't even know. Where do you even start with this?
Well, I think honestly, these seat covers are kind of dumb. The stock seats are cooler, plus I'll probably just get you different seats anyways.
Okay.
I would start by just like removing the seat cover, and we'll see, and burning them, yeah. Okay. We probably should just take the seat out of the car and then go from there because I'm sure there's probably something growing under the seat at this point. I don't know when this car was wrecked, but I can probably look up the report on it, but it's probably not been, it's probably been a little more than a week or two.
Should I get a cute shift knob?
Yeah.
Yes!
Yeah.
I always wanted to get a shift knob when I drive an automatic.
Look at this stank. It's like over here.
Oh my god.
Look at that, dude. That's definitely whipped cream. That was, yeah, so I think Victoria was right. I think there was like a latte or something. Oh, so your cup holders are gonna need to soak in acid for a few days. Don't know what that is.
Nothingness.
This is gross. This is really gross. Yeah, I saw that. So if you need some extra supplies for school in the meantime, then you got them. Go ahead and scoot it back and I'll get you the tools. You can start taking it out.
How do I scoot it back?
It's the same way you do your seats.
I haven't touched my seats.
Well, it's the same way you do your seats. It's pretty bad. Yeah, it's bad.
I don't like being this
It's really bad.
You know what?
You might have to sit in it.
I'm really
All right, I'll give it a shot.
as close as I can.
Okay, that's as far as it goes. Damn. Oh, it's so gross in there. Ugh. I just ate too, dude. I'm just gonna watch from back here because, dude, this is your problem now. All right, so.
It smells so bad.
You just literally just kind of place it on there. Oh, it's not any less smelly over here. Come on!
Get my mask out of my car.
Oh my god.
Oh thank god.
All right, now you gotta move the seat forward and do the two on the back. There's a granola bar. Oh, got some granny glasses, boys. Holy crap, these are nice. You have to wear these whenever you drive now. Hey, you got a nice phone? Oh god, it smells, dude.
You want this?
No, I definitely don't want that. Oh, that's mold. That is mold. Oh, geez. All right. I got you the stendo. Get it out. Get it out. You just put these on the paint. Jaren. All the way out. Go, go, go. Send it. Send it. Oh, uh-oh.
Oh, thank God. I lost the stendo back there though.
You lost it? Well, rip. Don't worry about the bolt right now. Just get the seat out so we can throw it away.
Should we get a chainsaw?
I'm about to.
I can't believe you actually got that. It's pretty bad. The hat, yes. Oh, you look great. You look really good.
So bad. There's freaking mold everywhere, dude. That's disgusting. Oh.
Your muffled voice just makes it 10 times funnier. I can smell it from up here.
Yeah.
I think it's just gradually getting worse. I think we're gonna need subtitles. What you're saying?
Yeah.
Oh! Oh my god! Oh my god! Why is there a spoon?
That's a meth spoon.
It's a meth spoon?
Yeah, this is from Arkansas. No, I'm just kidding. There's no burn mark.
Oh my god! You really could have convinced me. Oh, what? Oh my god! Ew, it touched me. dog hair in there. I think this is worse than my car. Oh my god. Oh my god.
That's all mold.
I hate it here.
Nope,
I don't
nope.
know how I feel about that. That's so sexy right there.
That is disgusting. That is nasty. Oh, that was whipped cream.
Oh my god. Oh, your hands. Oh god. What is that?
Steering wheel cover, I think. You want these?
I don't. Oh, you heard the squeak. Where that?
That's your new chain.
Thank you. Give me an addition. Oh, thank you so much.
They're opals, just for you.
Oh, thank you.
I don't really know how to attack this.
Me neither.
I think we need fire.
A couple blowtorches and God.
Yeah, we need Jesus first. All right, so we need to start vacuuming it out.
Uh-huh.
I have no idea what to do.
I don't know. Oh God. Oh. I don't know what to spray it with. I've never dealt with this kind of mold. That side should be much more forgiving in terms of stench. This is not as smelly now that I've covered it up. I'm using I'm just gonna use Tough Scuff. I don't even know if it's gonna work. And then we're probably gonna scrub it with some sort of brush that I'm gonna throw into the abyss of never return. Then we're probably gonna use some really hot, like boiling water, pour it over it, and then try and steam clean it with a vacuum. I think I honestly don't even know what to do about this kind of stuff, but I know it's recoverable. So at least right now, this stuff kind of covered up the stench. So go ahead and get that seat out, and then we'll start vacuuming that side. And we definitely gotta I'm gonna spray all this and get all this cleaned up. But once this car's cleaned up, honestly, it's gonna be really nice. Or what'd you find under here? Oh, there's a lot of good stuff in here. There's a lot of change.
There's a lot of earrings.
You could probably buy a body kit with all that kind of stuff.
Sure.
Earrings? Oh yeah, dude. I need to get my ears
Oh,
pierced.
there's a hair.
You can pierce my ears, and I could just, I'd rock it.
Yeah, I got needles yesterday.
Yikes, no, we're not gonna do that.
Really? I wanna do it, let me do it.
I got a little bunch of random crap all over the place. So I guess, oh, we got a Kroger Plus card.
Oh yeah.
So we got the seats out. I don't think the Tough Scuff's gonna work. I went ahead and made a mixture of hot water, vinegar, and soap. It's gonna smell disgusting. It's gonna smell bad the whole time we're doing this until we're done. So this stuff's gonna be disgusting. It's gonna maybe try and eat it away. We also have a fungicide too, that's over here. So we might have to use the fungicide to get it out. But I'm just gonna go ahead and start attacking it and let you guys know what works.
No! I'm gonna puke.
Please don't puke.
Oh.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Oh, that's gross.
Never bring a latte in this car ever.
Nope.
How do you feel?
This is disgusting.
I almost just threw up.
That was nasty.
The vinegar really doesn't help.
No.
It really makes it worse.
it makes
in fact,
it worse.
Makes it so much worse.
I don't want you guys to think that we're like over exaggerating for like cinematic effect here. It literally smells like vomit in my whole garage, and it's too windy to have the doors open. Leaves would get everywhere. So we literally are having to just truck through this. However, it's starting to look pretty good. Letting it literally just soak in fungicide and vinegar and all that kind of stuff is getting a lot of it out. Are you good over here? No. It literally right here, it smells so bad, I can't even stand it. Okay. Yeah, this is nice over here. It still stinks. Oh, I think it's that. I'm getting the constant whiff of air, vomit air coming out of that. Nope, going back over here. This job is not for the weak of stomach. Oh my God. Oh yeah, so this is an old car, so you actually have to roll the windows, by the way.
I love it.
Manual locks. There's no auto anything on this car. There's no traction control, there's no ABS. It's just a car. I sprayed it, oh God, it still smells so bad, with a little bit of like regular interior cleaner, like carpet cleaner. Hopefully this will finalize kind of cleaning it up. I'm gonna let it set there for a little bit. then I'll vacuum it back up. But pretty much all of it's gone at this point. I think for now, Jaren, I think we're golden. I think we can cruise with this for a little bit. We're gonna put your seat, the main seat, back in for now, or we can just not put it in at all.
So
Yeah, it'd be kind of funny.
it'd be kind of cool. It's on the inside.
Oh, there we go. Look at that nice bumper that's probably needs to get replaced. Well, I'm buying you a body kit anyways. This will be nice. You know what these cars are called in Japan? The Annis Roadsters. It's called an Annis Roadster.
The what?
Annis.
Inus?
Annis.
Enus?
Annis.
Anus?
E-U-N-O-S. It's the Annis Roadster. This sign, this right here, that's the Annis. Well, let's go ahead and get this thing cleaned up a little bit. I think we just need to wash it. It's actually really warm outside today, so we're gonna actually get it washed. I'm gonna use some of my Griot's Garage foaming surface wash. If you guys want any Griot's products, I have a code in the description for you guys to save some money. A little bit of Griot's interior cleaner, and then we're gonna use the detailer.
Yep, I'm just gonna chill right here.
All right, just start wiping her down. When we're like 50 years old, and be like, remember that one time I got you that car and it smelled like puke and we had to clean it up? With a little bit of Griot's and a lot of gagging and absolutely disgusting time, the interior's actually really nice looking now. We used the cleaner and detailer from Griot's, and then I used my elbow for this. But how you feeling so far?
Very happy
Good.
and content.
Awesome.
It's really satisfying to do.
I'm excited for you to finally know how to drive a stick.
Probably not gonna go well.
Let's just get this baby washed up, and then that will conclude video number 1.
No seat. Miata with no seat. Oh. Yeah! On the towel. Oh my god. Man down.
Throw it away. Yay! All right, go, go, go! Oh, I didn't even notice this. Biohazard mold. Oh, Jaren. This is yours now. George Strait cassette with your name on it, bud. That's all you. I definitely am going to end up detailing this thing because this paint needs some Jesus. Somebody oh, you set up, damn. George is really straight right now. He's like straight up. Next thing I need to do is get about 15 things of Arm & Hammer baking soda and just put it in there so we don't have to smell it anymore, could absorb that. We should have gotten most of it out. I'm probably gonna go ahead and put some more fungicide in it just so nothing else grows or anything. But the interior is clean, the outside is definitely like, at least not dusty and nasty now. It's definitely not great, so we'll have to end up cleaning it. But next, we just gotta make sure we get this on the lift, take this fender off. I'm gonna order an upper and lower control arm anyways, just so if we do a little stancy build, I can have a little bit of customizable suspension stuff, but I'm probably gonna get that, some tie rods and everything like that, but next video, next time you come over, we're gonna put it on the lift. I'm gonna have you take everything off of this side of the car, and then we'll figure out what's wrong and fix it. What you think, Jaren? You excited, or?
So excited.
I would say this didn't like ruin your Miata experience today?
No, it
The stink didn't?
No.
All right, well, that's good.
In fact, it elevated it.
Okay.
I'm more excited to de-stinkify it.
If you were playing Forza, right?
Yeah.
And you wanted to build a Miata in Forza, that's what we're gonna do. So you just let me know, we're gonna make it happen. As you can tell, we've gotten to work on this car a lot more. What we didn't quite get the stink out, so what we ended up using was it was disgusting. Now that I'm thinking about it again, so gross. We actually steam cleaned the carpet, and it still stinks a little bit, so we're gonna try a Griot's product that they're about to send to us. But we have pretty much tackled the stench. It's not nearly as bad as it was, and it's definitely gonna be livable. Now, she doesn't know what I've bought her, but I've already got her a kit. 3-piece wheels getting made. Got her some seats coming. It's gonna be such a cool car. I am so excited to be doing this adventure with Jaren. This is a different day. She's not here right now, and obviously, you guys can see that I have walls around the entire shop, and that's gonna be an update for you guys here pretty soon. But I am so excited that I get to do this project with my sister. Again, I wanted to do this because like she and I didn't get to spend a lot of time together growing up. Our parents split up pretty early, and I was older, I was in high school, we have a pretty big age gap, and I was working full time and this and that, and she was young, and so now before she goes off to school, like I really just wanted to do something really cool, and so I'm really excited to do this with her and for her. I think she's gonna have one of the sickest Miatas ever. It's also cool for me because like I had a Miata like 3 or 4 years ago, and it's nuts because that's all I could afford to build. In fact, I couldn't even afford to build that. Can't tell you how badly I wanted to turbo the Miata, or even K-swap, or do something with the Miata, but I didn't have any money for that, and I couldn't do it. And the fact that I'm now building my sister one in my own backyard shop is literally the coolest blessing ever. I'm so grateful for where we are, but also super grateful for where we have been. Speaking of the past and the grind that we've done before, we recently hit 800,000 subscribers. I think as I'm ending this video, I have like 801,000. I don't know how much I have now, but Victoria pulled up a Facebook post of me like showing that I had 30,000 subscribers or something like that 5 years ago. And guys, I just want you to know, for me, it's been a very long, slow grind. Things don't happen overnight. And sometimes in life, you put every bit of effort you possibly can into something, and it might take years for something to happen. It might take years for your effort to be noticed, for the quality of what you do to be noticed. There's not many people in the world that just shoot up overnight. It does happen, but it's very rare. Man, I'm just telling you guys, there's so many times I wanted to give up 5 years ago, 4 years ago, even 3 years ago, 2 years ago, a year ago, 6 months ago. Like life is hard, and sometimes things just don't happen as quickly or as efficiently or as good as you want them to. Man, I can't tell you how many times like I just wish I just had made more money in the past, but it's crazy because I kept going. And it is amazing to think back that 5 years ago I was just so crazy excited about 30K subs, and here we are. I want you guys to know that just because you don't see over the horizon doesn't mean there's not something beautiful over it. You guys don't know, I give you guys daily advice every day, and I think it's my duty here to help you guys as much as I can. And advice is one thing that I can't help you with because I've been through it. Believe me. Love you guys so much. Keep going, keep pushing. I'll see you guys next video. Peace. Hey, I got 2 videos for you to watch, boy. If you are new to the channel, or you're old to the channel, or you just want to watch more videos, watch one of those 2 videos. Also, subscribe.